Why use air freight? First, to set the stage, the objective of a logistic manager are to ensure that merchandise arrives in the correct location, in good condition, on time, at the lowest cost. This last point in particular is a red flag for any supply chain manager thinking about shipping air. In normal circumstances, the cost of air freight is 10 times higher than ocean freight on the Trans-Pacific eastbound trade lane. And it can be more than 30 times higher in times of acute air freight spike. So this begs the question, why do you even use air freight? Well, supply chain managers use air freight because it's secure, reliable, and fast. Let's look at 5 criteria on deciding on the correct shipping method. First, the retail value of the good per kilo compared to the cost of air freight. If the cost of air freight is peanuts compared to the retail value of the goods, then it will fly. For example, you would move luxury watches via air and actual peanuts via ocean. Number 2, the perishability of the product. If the product perishes in 10 days, you do not want it to sit 30 days on the ocean. So for example, fresh fruit and fast fashion will move via air, while rice and other grains will move ocean. Number 3, variability of demand. If a supply chain faces unpredictable demand, the firm will be more inclined to choose air. This allows them to quickly switch the delivery location or catch an opportunity to ride a wave of strong demand. This is what happened with FaceMac at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. The demand for masks, which usually ship ocean, suddenly needed a faster transit time to meet the unexpected spike in demand, and they started to ship all the masks via air. Criteria number 4 is the batch size. If you produce a very small number of units, such as engineering sample, one would usually ship this product via air and not via ocean. Number 5, and last criteria, if a product really needs to arrive without fail by a certain need-by date, such as for a product launch, for example, you would send part or all of the production via air to mitigate risk of missing that launch. So consider any products whose manufacturing is delayed but is still needed for a planned launch that the firm marketing has already announced.